Hey, I'm glad you're here. I have a little bit of bad news for you, though. You just missed Cat Week by 1 day.
Meow.
Yeah. But here's the thing. During Cat Week, I got a lot of angry letters from other animals, and they felt like they were ignored. Well, the animals didn't write the letters. They dictated the letters. But anyway, to keep everybody happy, here are some videos of other animals. The first one, this is 2 dogs very excited for their bath.
Ready for bath time?
It was a race to get there first, but to me, they're both wieners. Thank you. Thank you. This next video is a little hamster with a big appetite. And then they gave him a watermelon. Let's watch. No. And this is a sheep uprising.
What do you want? When do you want it? How do you want it?
Their demands are clear. You know, sheep are not usually that outspoken. They're usually bashful. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.